2 in the hundreds column. Edwin, how many do we have in the tens column? Do we have any left? Any tens left? No. No tens. And how many ones left, Eliza?
It's got 0 tens.
How many ones left?
1.
1. So that's how Paul got 201. All right, we're gonna see, the game is reach 500, but we're trying to reach 300. So let's see if we can reach 300. Let's see. Amber's gonna spin again. Let's see, Riel, could you come on over? Or was that back? Okay, you may use the back. Who can volunteer to come up and record? Nicole, come on up. Hands down. You guys are doing a great job of listening. I see some of you agreeing with what people are recording up here. Go ahead, Amber. So let's see what Amber spins. Minus 10. Minus 10. So Nicole is writing it above the arrow. And she's figuring out what the new number is going to be. Oh, Jamiri has a thumbs up. She thinks that Nicole's on the right track. Guys, pause Nicole. Hold on 1 second. So Nicole is taking away 10 from 201. Eyes up here. Turn around, sweetie. Who can help Nicole with the next step? What should she do? Because, Nicole, we have to take away a 10, right? Are there any 10s? Nicole, do you think we know what to do? Where should we get those 10s from? Or maybe, Nicole, if you want a classmate to help you, you can ask them as well. Nicole thinks she should get a 10 from the ones place. Who agrees or disagrees? Okay, I see some thumbs down. So maybe, Nicole, would you like to call in a classmate to help you? Okay, so Leti, can you explain to Nicole what to do from your seat, sweetie? Okay, tell her what to do. What should she do?
So because you bundled a 10.
Hold on, Leti. Oh, our eyes are on Leti because she's speaking. Our thumbs are down. Thank you, Edwin, for turning your body and looking at Leti. Your eyes are on her. Your ears are open. Leti, go ahead.
So because you bundled a 10, we're not doing math.
So look up here, Lacey. We have everybody. We have 2 dots in the what column?
Hundreds.
Yep. We have how many dots in the tens column?
0.
0. And we have how many dots in the ones column? 1. So where can Nicole get a 10 to take away? Jameer. Jerson, go ahead. How could she get a 10 from the hundreds place?
Pam.
By taking this 10 away and putting it in this, taking this 10 from the hundreds and
Jamiri, can you repeat what Jerson just said? If you cannot, that means that you are speaking and you need to pay attention. So that was very exactly, Jerson. If you agree with what Jerson said, put a thumb up. He said you should unbundle a 100 and take out, trade it for what? How many tens?
10.
Trade it for how many tens?
1 10. 9 10. 10 10. 10 10.
There are 10 tens inside of 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now Nicole can take away a 10.
Take away 1
To away a 10. Now she's going to count up what's left. Okay, awesome. Thank you, Nicole. Do you know what, guys? Look over here. Before we added a 10, and now we know if we're taking away a 10, we're going back to that number, 191. So, this place value chart is here to help you. But the point of this game is that you want to be quick to do this in your brain, mental math, okay? But if you need to use the place value chart to take away a 10, or take away 100, or add a 10, or add 100, they're there for you to use. So, who thinks that they're ready to give this game a try yourselves at your seat? Okay. So hands down, let's see. I'm going to explain where all the materials are. Everything is on your table. Your game board, okay, your paper clip, and your spinner. Okay? So inside of that cup, good question, Jamarian. Inside of the cup, there are paper clips, okay, for you to use for your spinner. So I'm going to call table at a time to get pencils. Anderson, you can move your chair. Speak in. It looks like dime tables.
Wait, do I need a puzzle? Yeah. Minus 100. Plus 10. I got minus. When you have a number yet? Plus 10. I got plus 10. Got yellow paint. I got plus 10.
Are you adding on your fingers? Can you show me how you count? What did you roll?
I was counting 10 more and I got 130.
Can you show me how you counted that?
121, 131, 132, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139,
Can you show me how you counted from 121 though? Show me how you added 10 from 121. This is the number I'm questioning. Can you show me how you're going to add 10? You don't have to erase it, but I just want to hear how you count. From 121, I want to hear how you add 10 to that.
121, 122,
I see. You're counting 121. All right, but you're already starting at 121, right? So what's your, when I jump 1, when I add 1, where will I land?
122.
So that's where you need to start counting. If you need help adding 10, guys, what resource can you use? Where could you go to help you add 10?
Oh man, go get the hundreds, tens, and one stripe.
Oh, you could go get your place value chart, your hundred, tens, and one stripe. Do you think you want to do that, Anderson? To help you add 10? Because 121 plus 10 is not 130. So why don't you go get the tool that Miss Yoon prepared and see if that helps you, and I'll be back. Okay?
Me too. I got like plus 10 times. Here, I've been there.
I'm right now.
I had to flick it to make it last. No! I got -100. You do? That's a lot. I'm back to 1. Oh, shucks. I keep going to 41.
Can you tell me what you just did, Jerson?
I was taking away a 10, and then I accidentally and then the error went to -100, so I kept going to 41, and I recorded the -10 that the arrow pointed to.
Okay, so how did you take away 10 from 51? What did you do in your brain? How did you figure that out?
It's like 5 minus 1, and 5 minus 1 equals 4. And the ones couldn't change, so I took away a 1, and the ones and the 10 became a 4. I'm trying to get Don't you know what a minus 100 is? I know what minus 100 is.
Plus 10, right? Plus 10. Plus 10.
Eliza. On the volume.
41.
Yep, it's a way.
What I get
Paul,
now?
can you look at your paper and tell me, what do you notice?
Minus 10.
That's a pattern.
What pattern do you see?
Every time it says
Plus 10.
Plus 10. Plus 10, there's 131. It's the same number at the ones place.
You see the same digit in the ones place the whole time? Do you think that pattern will continue?
Minus
You
100.
don't? Let's see. At the end, we're going to come back together, right? And figure out what our pattern is and what our rule is.
Minus 10.
How in the world you got 251. This game is awesome. I know. It's so fun. I'm leaving it last 100. Wait, today's Tuesday. We have Miss Marilyn. Yeah. But I'm leaving early.
Are we talking about math? Let's make sure our conversation is about the pattern that we see.
Again? I got minus 10.
Can you tell me what you're doing, Joshua?
I'm trying to reach 100 on my Game Boy.
How? How are you counting?
I'm putting my pencil here and I'm putting my pencil right here and I'm flicking it to any number and I write it down on the end.
Which are the numbers you're counting by? Counting by twos? No.
Tens and hundreds.
That's right. Okay. So let's see. 221. Hold on one minute. 221, and you spun what? Plus 10. So you're doing 10 more. Okay. Could you show me how you add 10 more on your Quizlet? Spin it again.
Take away what?
Okay, honey. Draw this number, right? Because that's the number you're starting with. You're adding plus 10. Oh, you're almost there.
That was easy.
Okay, so you spun plus 10. So what should you do? Okay, count up your number.
Me too.
231, okay? I want you to record your math thinking with this, okay? Just to make sure that you're adding the right things to the right places, okay?
What's the number?
You're almost there.
141.
How many hundreds? Say one more time. Look at your place value chart.
200, 4 tens, 1 1.
And what number will you write?
I'm in 451 right now. I'm on 451 right now.
Wow, start looking at your board and see if you notice anything as you go.
I got 551.
She said to go to 500.
I did it.
So now you have to spin again, Brielle, yes? All right, let me see what you spun.
I spun 100 plus 10. I do it again. Take away a 10.
What you have to do?
Oh, it's on the line. What happens when you're on the line? Give it a good spin. There you go. What'd you get?
Minus 10.
Oh boy. Are you going to use your place value chart? Let's see what are you going to do.
I was getting bad luck in the first
Plus 100.
plus 10. I'm gonna write it right here.
I win this table.
Brielle, honey. Okay, so what number are you starting with? You have to take 10 from.
I have some number right here.
241.
Yes.
And you have to do what? You have to take away 10.
She said that you're supposed to stop on past 500 or you can go to 500. Just do number 500. 200.
What number? Oh, you did it wrong. First, show me 241 and see if you can take away a 10.
No, wait, this was supposed to be
I can't take away.
Can you? Where are the 10s? Point to the 10s. So can you take away one of those 10s? Take one away. Now how much is left?
3. 103. 231.
Wow. Again? Why did you think again? Let's look at that. That's so interesting. Look. What did you start with? Over here?
231.
And you added 10. And you got...
141. Then again, this number.
Why? Why do you think that number came again, Brielle?
Because it had minus 10.
I just need one more 100.
Plus 10.
So, you have your board over here that can help you, right? So what could you do? 145 plus 10.
3 years to get there. Let me see. I got plus 10. How many was the first one?
Okay.
Mine is still on the first one. What?
Now what do you do? You spun plus 10. So what should you do? Spun spinner, right? And you got plus 10. Okay? So where should you add a dot? Which column? 10th column, the 1st column, the 100th column? It's the 10th column, right? Because you're adding the 10.
Add more 10s.
How many 10s should you add? How many 10s should you add? 1.
My 10s are 2. I got 10.
Hey, what's up, Justin?
Okay.
And I got plus 10.
100.
Hold on a second.
So what did you spend this time? Plus 10. So you're at 155. Show me with your marker how are you going to add a 10? Show me with your marker how are you going to add a 10? Which column? In the ones, you're adding 10, not adding 1, right?
Here,
What do you think? Why?
we're adding a 10. They're different.
They're different. What part is different?
When I put 155, it was different.
It was different. Why? What was different? The hundreds, the tens, or the ones?
One.
The ones was
Giving
different?
you the last 2 minutes to finish quietly. When I ring the bell, you are to
Put it back how you had it. Let's do another one and see if you notice the
put
pattern.
your fingers in the middle.
All right. What number is this?
155.
What number is this?
165.
Let's spin again. Let's hope you see. Oh. What did you get?
100 plus.
Well, you're adding 100, right? Plus 100. Okay. So, what do you have to change here?
Erase it.
Well, what number am I starting with now?
165.
And I have to what?
Add 100.
Okay, can I see you take your marker and add 100? Okay.
265.
What changed this time? The hundreds, the tens, or the ones?
100.
Why? You're right. Why?
Because it's a 2 and this is a 6 and this is a 5. Because you leave these 2 and you add up one more and it makes a 2.
What? You're right. You add one more what?
1 more 100.
Good. You starting to get it? All right. Let me see you do another one.
Stop throwing this.